Have you ever pondered the art of choosing the right development environment? In our modern digital age, this decision is no trifling matter. Today, we'll be delving deep into the heart of this issue, comparing two giants of the tech world, iOS and Android. These two platforms have dominated the global market, stirring developers into a never-ending debate on which environment reigns supreme. The iOS environment, Apple's brainchild, is renowned for its fluid interface, stringent quality checks, and loyal user base. Android, on the other hand, crafted by tech titan Google, boasts of its vast device compatibility, open-source nature, and high customization options. The choice, quite like locating a needle in a haystack, can feel daunting, as both platforms have their inherent strengths and weaknesses. It's a critical step that can shape the trajectory of your project. The significance of this decision can't be overstressed, as it can pivot the course of your project's success. So let's embark on this journey together, exploring the unique features, advantages, and challenges of iOS and Android development environments. First, we turn our attention to the iOS development environment. As we delve deeper, we find that Apple's Xcode, a proprietary integrated development environment, IDE, is the bedrock of iOS app development. Xcode is a complete suite of software development tools, meticulously designed and optimized for macOS, Apple's versatile operating system. It's not just an IDE, but a gateway to the world of iOS app development, housing a rich set of features that facilitate the creation of high-end, sophisticated applications. Xcode is a testament to Apple's commitment to providing a smooth, intuitive, and streamlined development experience. With its user-friendly interface, developers can navigate through complexities with relative ease. The interface's design is not just aesthetically pleasing but also functionally robust, housing a variety of tools at your disposal for building top-notch apps. However, as with any development environment, iOS is not devoid of challenges. One hurdle in this journey is the closed ecosystem of Apple. The closed nature of this ecosystem implies that developers are compelled to comply with rather rigorous guidelines. Such rules can, at times, constrain their flexibility and dampen their creative spirits. Furthermore, the development process typically tends to be slower and more expensive, as the need for specific Apple hardware and elevated App Store fees can escalate the overall cost. Through it all, it's crucial to remember that these challenges are part and parcel of the unique journey that is iOS app development. However, iOS development does come with its own set of challenges. One notable hurdle is the closed ecosystem of Apple. This closed nature means developers must adhere to strict guidelines, which can limit flexibility and creativity. Moreover, the development process is typically slower and more costly due to the need for specific hardware and higher App Store fees. Now, let's shift gears to the Android development environment. Android Studio, hailed as the official and preferred integrated development environment, IDE, for Android app development, is a reservoir of engaging and innovative features. As an open-source tool, it offers developers an advantageous position to shape and modify the Android software in alignment with their project requirements. Inherent openness fuels creativity and promotes flexibility, giving developers the liberty to create an array of unique, tailored apps that can cater to diverse user needs. This collaborative space encourages developers to push boundaries and experiment with various design, functionality, and user interface elements. However, while this flexibility comes with many benefits, it also introduces certain challenges. The open-source characteristic of Android demands developers to adapt to a broad spectrum of devices, each boasting different screen sizes, resolutions, and hardware functionality. This variety, while beneficial for product diversity, can complicate the development and testing process, making it more intricate and labor-intensive. Yet, Android development isn't without its drawbacks. The open-source nature of Android means developers must cater to a wide array of devices, each with different screen sizes, resolutions, and hardware capabilities. This can make the development and testing process more complex and time-consuming. The choice between iOS and Android development environments often boils down to the specific requirements of your project and your personal preferences. As a developer or potential app creator, understanding the intricacies of both environments is crucial to determine the one that serves your needs best. In the world of iOS development, the journey can be likened to traversing a paved road. It has a smooth, streamlined experience that is designed with high-quality applications in mind. This environment has gained a reputation for stability and security, two factors that should never be overlooked when creating an application. An additional advantage of iOS development is the higher potential for revenue, often resulting from the demographic of users who are known spend more on applications. However, there's no rose without a thorn, and for iOS, the thorns come in the form of a higher cost, a slower development process, and stricter guidelines. Every update and feature must align with Apple's standards, so you'll need to plan your steps carefully. Conversely, Android development offers a landscape that is vast and open, much like a sprawling countryside. The Android platform is known for flexibility and innovation, granting developers the freedom to innovate and create as they see fit. Android's wider market reach is another attractive feature owing to its prevalence across various devices and regions worldwide. However, this open-source nature also brings potential complexities. Multiple device manufacturers, screen sizes, and OS versions mean more testing and debugging. Hence, while the open-source nature of Android can be liberating, it also makes it a bit more complex to handle. Whether it's the smooth, streamlined experience of iOS development or the open, flexible nature of Android development, make a choice that aligns with your project's needs and your personal preferences. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Every developer's journey is unique, and so should be your choice of development environment.